Okay, good morning everyone. So first and foremost, we are going to start talking about how to create a print from scratch. So I have selected a nice image of a beetle. The reason I have selected this particular beetle is because it is very clearly black and white. And when you are creating a print, you want to use a nice clear reference that is going to give you nice clear shapes. So the main art element that you're going to be dealing with will be shape and how to use it. So we are going to be looking for shape and black and white shapes to give us a nice clear print. So I'm going to do a little bit of looking and examining at my beetle. So I'm going to draw my shapes on my page first. So I've got my circle, my oval, an irregular shape, a triangle, a square, and a rectangle. And I am going to now try and look and respond to the visual resource I have here, and I'm going to try and draw it using those shapes. So I can see the head of the bug is an oval, its body is an oval here, and its back end is also an oval, like so. I can see it's got a black eye there, and here it's got a white head. It's also got a little beak thing which has two black shapes, like so. On its body shape here, there is an oval in black. It has a circle, another circle, and they join in like that in an irregular shape, like so. And that I'm going to shade in black. Now, there is a shape here, which I can see on my pad. You may not see it because it may not register on film, but it's there. These are the little shell that open out where the wings will come out. I can see then there are white circles. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 8 circles on each side of the body. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's symmetrical, so it's the same on both sides. So I'm going to make them match. Now, this part of the body is going to be shaded in as black. Now, if I shade in this shape black and this shape here black, I will lose the definition of my line here. And with my pencil, I can easily, when I'm drawing, shade it darker so that it becomes visible again. So you can see when I'm shading in one part of the body, I've used outline to describe the white shapes now, but when I'm colouring the black value in, you can see that the white shape stands out against the black shape. That's going to be very important for when we are actually transferring our drawing over onto our print. And how this black against black against black shapes, how they're all defined, is actually very important when we go into transferring our design from a drawing into our print. Okay, so I'm going to start now looking at the arms. So I can see there is 6 legs on this, and I'm going to do the front part first. And I can see I'm going to use rectangle shapes maybe to draw those parts there, and I will add little triangles onto that. I can see 2. Then I can see there's an oval shape here with a little triangle stuck on. And I can see 1, 2, 3. And then it's got a little shape like that stuck on. I'm going to value that in as black. Like so. And then the leg again, so I can see there is a little rectangle here, and it's like an L shape. And I can see 2 triangles coming off there and another triangle there. And then I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 ovals. And then it has a Y shape sticking off like so. And I will shape that in. Okay, then I have another little leg here, and I'm going to draw another L shape like so. I'm going to value that in as dark, even though I can see that it is red, but because the red is dark, I'm going to value it in as dark as well. And then I can see that the leg stops off there. And I can see it's the same on this side here. I'm trying to get both sides to match. Okay, so there I have my drawing figured out. So for my print, I am going to have shapes that are black and shapes that are white. Okay, and black and white, and the white is going to be carved away. Okay, so when we are printing, we will use this foam material. It is called Quick Print. It's carvable with a pencil, and it will give you an effect that looks like wood block or lino printing. And it is a really good and safe way of printing with children. So you can find that. It's Quick Print is the name of it, and you can find it online, or you can find it at lots of good suppliers. So what we're going to do is we are going to transfer our print with marker onto the foam, and then the foam gets carved away. As you can see here, the white shapes that were on this bug get squished down with a pencil so that they can be seen. And you will create a relief effect. So you can see how these shapes have all been indented, and then the black shapes are staying high and proud. So I will show you now how to bring this design into this way. Okay, so I am going to just move things around here. So I'm going to delete this over to the side. Like so. So now I need a black marker. Now you will only be able to draw on this once with the marker because it's permanent. It won't come off. So you need to be very clear, and that's why we have created a design here